We're here with Meso, the Queso, and Dylan, and I'm going to show you what he does, his facial expressions when people come in. Okay, Blue, step out. What's going on? Oh, we got both of them, honey. Oh, look at you. What's wrong, buddy? It's okay. It's okay. What's wrong? What are you guys scared of? What are you scared of? Hi. Mason. Okay. All right, go back up. Look at me. Okay, he's gone. All good. So it's all good. Hey. You guys need some rest or what? Hey, Dylan. Mesa. It's all good.